What's up, YouTube? What's up, Extreme Gains family? I'm Chuck. This is Extreme Gains. I am not a financial advisor. Nothing I say is or ever will be financial advice. Please do not take it as such. What's up, Twitch? How you doing? Good afternoon, YouTube. How y'all doing? Hope everybody's doing well. This is the Friday BEER30 weekly wind down. I hope you all are doing well. Doing well. This is really strange. The chats are both different. Not quite sure. I think this is just delayed. I think I'm getting the real feed up here. All right. What up, though? What up, though? What up, though? Oh, see, we kind of made a little turnaround here. These things turned a little bit, didn't it? From where we just left it in premium. Well, let's see. Let's see there. That still could be all right there. And let's see here. Bounce time. Bounce time. Maybe baby. 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 Let's see. I don't know. I don't know. Just here for the beer. Let's get it, Corey. I like it. I like your attitude, brother. Yo. What's up, Twitch? How you doing, Deplorable? Good. Good. What is going on? What's going on? Oh, the sign. What's going on? Oh, lordy. I feel like I'm older than 40. Oh, because I am. Damn. How's everybody doing? What's happening? Thank you for coming by. What's up, Jay? Surdy J. What's up, Surdy J? What a day. What a week. What a day. My Discords have just, bonkers today. Bonkers. Across the board. Bonkers. I love it. I love seeing it. Congratulations to everybody. I didn't get to talk to General Discord much this morning. Congratulations to all of you that were smacking it. I saw some of y'all hit SPY today pretty heavy. Some of y'all hit the NVIDIA downside today. Y'all did good. So congratulations. And obviously y'all in premium who I was just live streaming with as well. I already told you all. Congratulations to all of you as well. I updated the percentage, the ROI percentages on my scalp ideas right before I came in here. Well, before I started them up, and then I took like a 10-minute break. Last I checked, I have 100, 120%, 50%, 40%, 170%, 50%, 33%, 60, 50, 18, 160, 20, 80, and a whopping 328. Those are all the triggers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 different triggered green trade. Green triggered active and green for those percentages. So scalp ideas out of the park again today. What you're looking at on the screen right now on both of these are the intraday snakes, the intraday micro snakes. Today's been a little bit harder than previous days this week. I don't know if it's just me. I made it harder on myself today. I think it was. Because now looking in hindsight a little bit, they're not real difficult to see, especially with them side by side. I should have been able to do that, but I got them on here nonetheless for the most part. Struggled a little bit, didn't lead to any bad trades, so that's a good thing. Yeah, so what's happened is there's been one diversion so far. We'll see if we get an afternoon diversion or not. There was a morning diversion at 10 o'clock like there has been in the other days this week. It seems to be it starts off. We get it starting off replicated somewhat from the day prior to and or in reverse fashion. And then at 10 a.m. there's a diversion. And at 10 a.m. it diverted again today. And we had one little hiccup that we looked at on SPY, trying to get it after this diversion here, and it dropped down. We had it down into here. Right here is where we started wondering when they were dropping AMC into this bottom but holding SPY up. It was creating a little bit of a what the heck's going on here? So but it seems to potentially have worked itself out. We'll see what happens here the rest of the day. Be aware that there could potentially be an afternoon diversion with this. 2 days ago on Wednesday for SPY, there were 2 diversions in the day, which meant there were 3. They pieced this in 3 pieces. Yesterday was only 2 with 1 diversion, and so far today it's 2 pieces with 1 diversion. So we'll see how that goes. But as you can see, they're fucking dead on all over again. I mean, dead on all over again. So it's been amazing. This week's been amazing. These snakes have been amazing. Watching people multiply their accounts the way people has been this week has been absolutely amazing to watch, be a part of. It's just been unreal. So congrats to everybody. That's what we're looking at right there. And I'm gonna go through a couple. So anyways, that's SPY, that's AMC. AMC as far as the intra-week snakes. I'm going to move this second portion out of the way so we can see this. The intra-week snakes. The orange was from Tuesday's clip is here. The red is... No, I take that back. The red is Tuesday's clip. The orange is Wednesday's clip. So far, Tuesday's clip looks to be a little more accurate. Yeah, a little more accurate. And I may just need to compress Wednesday's clip a little bit. Yeah. All right. So they're both close. So there you go. That is the look from them. One of two. We're both consolidation and upside move. Is what it looks like. Both of them are potentially projecting right now. I don't know if we're going to get that upside move by the end of today or not, or if we're just maybe even just this little one here. I don't know. Or if we're just going to consolidate or even go downside here into this little cup, potential cup and handle here. We'll see. But that's where we're at in the intraday for AMC. Let me get this back on here and then I will... Okay. Macro comparative for AMC. Here we are. Without the diverted one. Here we are. with the diverted comparative and the inverted potential upcoming inverted mirroring. There it is. Dead on. Price action running right down the descending macro third absolutely perfectly. It's amazing, actually. So we're dead on. Looking good. Everything's looking good from that perspective as well. That's essentially where we're at right now. According to this, potential short-term move upside, maybe, followed by maybe end of day and or after hours or pre-market Monday move back down that continuation downside here, potentially into this bottom. We'll see how that plays out, but so far so good. GME. Intra-week snakes for GME. Same thing. A Tuesday snake and a Wednesday snake. It's obvious we're following potentially one and not the other right now. The orange one looks to be the one that we're following. They are essentially the same from a generalized perspective. They have a mirrored and inverted mirroring here, then they converge, and then they invert mirror again, and then they converge. So it's the same but different, right? You see what I mean? But it looks to potentially be following the orange. I'm gonna leave them both on here to see if maybe we converge and then we go, you know, and we mirror from here. So there's a reason this is going on. So I'm gonna leave them both on there because they're both projecting essentially the same generalized perspective of the next macro movement. And that's running like this with an ascending level of support. Consolidated, right? But ascending. And then SPY. You saw the intraday micro snake. This is the macro. Let's go 4 hour. Here's the 4 hour. The snake is the yellow here. I talked about this potentially coming back down in and making this W here. And that is literally what happened. I talked about making this box top right here. Formation, that is literally exactly what happened. We are now down in the bottom here. We'll see if we start getting this move back upside or not, potentially beginning of next week, and finish out the yellow snake that has now projected and fulfilled for 4 whole weeks. Insane. Love it. The red is the macro comparative. I put it in line with the snake and you see what it shows. Same as what the yellow snake moving forward here shows until expiration of that yellow snake. And then that's the remaining part of the macro comparative for the next, say, week or so. We'll look at it like in a block of a week. I'm not worried about all this yet. A lot can happen between now and then. We can get a bounce. I have the macro third in here. I showed you on the video last night. If this were to either divert today, which it didn't, or come out of this double bottom and start heading up there, there's a target area for that. And this would not fulfill to the downside like this. It would not dissolve and head down, but that's something that we'll address when we get there. But right now, that's where we're at within the macro comparative for SPY. And that is AMC, GME, and SPY. Excuse me. Throat. What the heck's going on, man? Did they divert them here? They turned AMC up and they kept SPY pointing down here. Let's see what happens on the micros. Didn't oh, it's right there. Okay, that's the wick. I was gonna say, didn't SPY print a candle with a big ass wick on it there? All right, all right, all right. This would probably, what are we, 2 o'clock? Yeah, 2 o'clock would be the divert time. If we diverted afternoon diversion for a third clip, it would be right now at 2 p.m. So it would be right now at 2 p.m. All right, who's in here? Let me see what's up. What do we got? 138 people and 54 likes. Really, guys? 54 likes. Come on, man. We're going to Michael Irvin you people here one of these days. 54 likes. Come on, man. What the hell? Oh, you people. There we got Box Tops, Chuck's Box Tops, what's up? Scotty, what's up? Ellie, what's up? Noob, what's up? Empire, what's up? Hi, Key. What's up, Keith? Rakan, what's up, brother? Hi, Isla. Thank you, Isla, for everything. Francisco, what's up? Tendies, what's up? Haven House, what's up? Jason, what's up? Andy, what's up? Teron, what's up? Corey, how you doing, brother? What's up? Tiny Dancer, what's up? Clockwork, what's up? Mr. Style, what's up? Scott, what's up? Steven, what's up? Jai, what's up? Raymond, what's happening, man? Ronnie, how you doing? David, what's up? Marv, what's going on? Jai, I got you. Ronnie, what's happening? Martin, what's happening? Goob, what's happening? Goob, how you doing, brother? All right. Didn't I see 160? Marv, 165% on SPY puts today. Chuck is the man. No, Marv, you are the man, brother. You are the man. My gosh. You did better than I did, brother. Congrats, man. That's a hell of a good one, bro. Congratulations. We got a little intra-snake intraday diversion between AMC and SPY happening right now. Little intra-candle diversion going on. What's up, Juke? If you're not part of the Discord, you are missing out big time. Extreme Gains made some money inputs today. I'll take that 40% gain. Absolutely, Martin. Thank you, brother. I couldn't agree more. Yeah, it's legit, man. I don't know if we have a lot of people in here that aren't in Discord, but if you're not, it's legit. I promise. It's legit. We got a lot of people in here in Discord. Even the general, general Discord, they were hitting home runs today. And that's very, very limited stuff in there. So to see that happening is awesome. I mean, a couple of the general members were previous premium members, but regardless, they're hitting. So it's just badass to see, man. It is legit, though. I promise y'all, man. The Discord is unreal. It's unreal. It really is. Thank you for saying that, Martin. Appreciate it, man. And congratulations, brother. The GOAT is back. Appreciate it, M-Dog. Hey, Liz. Hi, Chuck. Just got back. Can you recap what's going on in SPY right now? Is it still potentially taking bullish route? Looks like it might be diverting. I'm waiting to see, Liz. You're watching it like I am, hun. It's looking like a little bit of an intra-candle diversion between AMC and SPY right now. They turned AMC up and kept SPY running down, so it's looking like it might divert. If we get a third clip of the micro intraday and a second diversion, it's happening right now. It's 2 p.m. diversion. 10 and 2. So we'll see what happens. It's gonna have to go heavy upside, if not soon. I don't see any other I don't see any other way for this to be anything other than that, unless it's going to full on divert back to the downside here. We shall see. We shall see. If not, I'll have to go mess with the intraday clips again to see which part of it we divert. Well, it'll be this part that we diverted from. This is just going to get turned around downside because this is the only part of yesterday's chart that has not been fulfilled yet today. Is this piece right here. Yep. Yeah, it's done that before. Yeah, it did it on Wednesday. On Wednesday, it right here. On Wednesday, it was three different clips, 2 different diversions. Here it was heading downside, and it was heading down further. So the 10 o'clock diversion, and then it diverted again at 1 o'clock. So 10 and 1 on Wednesday, and then it didn't fulfill to the downside. And right at the end of the day, after the consolidation, it diverted back to the upside. Right before close. So, yep. Yeah, it's definitely not set it and forget it. I mean, it's good, but it's not that good yet. Anyways, this is still infant stages, you know. We're still exploring a bunch of different things with it, but yeah. It's definitely done that before. I signed up for general 2 days ago, and I am going to go to premium. It's time. Let's go, Sneeze. Happy to have you, man. Oh. Premium because you snakes today. Hey, how are you doing, Chuck? What's up, developing trader? I sent my ID in an email last night under. I got it. Yep, Hunter. Yep. For premium because of your snakes today, I was able to make 25% on spot to help pay for it. So I appreciate you. Appreciate that, man. Yeah, I got it. You should. Did you get a response this morning? Did you get a reply this morning? Man, my throat. Hold on. Let me check the Extreme Gains inbox real quick. Make sure you got your response. You should have got one this morning. You said Hunter. That's Josh. That's Kylie. That's Dave. There's Hunter. Yeah, Hunter, you got your acceptance letter this morning. At 5:21 a.m., you were sent your acceptance letter with the private link. You're ready to go, bro. All you got to do is pay and you're in. Acknowledge that acceptance letter, the terms and conditions, and the non-disclosure form, and you're in. You got it, bro. You were approved this morning. But I appreciate you, brother. Congratulations on the gains, my friend. If you need anything noted, I'm here. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. What's up, Dan? Yep, I need that premium like I need coffee set in my stuff today. I hear that. I see you smacked one out today. You and the mister both. Both y'all are hitting some heavy hitter husband and wife today. They get in Discord and all of a sudden they're smacking freaking home runs. I love it. Congrats. I suck. All my options are crap, but they were cheap, so it's okay. Good luck with them, brother. What's up, David? How you doing, brother? If you don't mind, and help me out with my question I asked a minute ago. What'd you ask a minute ago? Ask me again. What'd you ask, Ronnie? Ask me again, brother. I didn't see it. All right. 166 and 8. We got half y'all that didn't hit the like button. I'd appreciate it if you did. For those of you that did, thank you very much. Appreciate it. Box Top says, yes, sir. Y'all are hitting them, man. I was happy to see that. I was happy to see that. Congrats. Good deal, David. Good deal, man. I appreciate the support out in the comments and stuff, David. Thank you. What's up, John? Chutch and Chong. Am I Chutch and Chong now? Love what you do, man. Been watching you for a while. Sending email now. Thank you, John. Good deal, brother. Send it. Send it. I figured you haven't checked me email yet. Letting you know who I was on YouTube. Okay, brother. Yep. Yeah, you have it. I just checked the Extreme Gains account. You were approved this morning and got your letter. So you're good to go. The non-disclosure you got sent this morning. So done. What's up, tendies? What are you talking about, Justin? Contract price? What? Say what? All right, I'm gonna rip it. Well, I'll wait for Ronnie to see if he sends his question again here. I know YouTube's delayed, so I gotta like wait for it. Hey, there we go. There's 20 couple, 30 of y'all, more of y'all hit the like button. That's good. When limit selling calls, do you enter the stock price like shares or you don't? Contract price. Oh yeah, 10-4, Justin. Thank you. Yeah, contract price. Because you're not. Yeah, contract price, Ronnie. Not the underlying. Because you bought them at the contract price, not the underlying. You're not buying the underlying. You're buying a derivative of the underlying. So the contract price, my friend. Yep. Thank you, Justin. Yeah, I figured that. Boom. I know you probably weren't even talking to me, but... Yep, Yep, I got it, John. All right, brother. Well, I don't know what the next step is. The next step is you figure out how to make profits. But if you want in premium Discord and want to go through the vetting process, John, that's what I need to know. I'm not going to answer to that because I can't, you know what I mean? That's financial advice. I can't answer that question. However, if you want in listen to me very clearly, y'all. There's a fine line with the way correspondence has to be and always will be. I don't cross that line ever with anybody for any reason. So all you got to do is send me an email saying I'm interested, or I'm ready for premium Discord and I'm ready to go through the vetting process. What do you want me, or whatever. Just let me know you're ready and you're ready to go and I'll send you out the paper. I got to have that correspondence back and forth. You telling me you want to go through the vetting process, that you're willing to provide the documentation to do so. I will then send you the request for documentation. You send me the documentation of your identification verification documents that I'm requesting, and then I give you the private link to get in. That's how it has to work. I get what you're doing, John. I'm not being an ass. I'm just being straight up with you. I'm not gonna, I get that that's what you want to do. Everybody wants to do that. But for me to answer you in any way directly to that question is me giving you financial advice on how to make profits short term. And I cannot do that. So I will not be replying to that email. But I get you, brother. I do, Goob. Yep. Yep, I got Q's right here, my friend. Oh, fuck, wrong chart. Yeah, it looks like they might divert it. Maybe, baby. Q's. What do you want to? You just want to look at it, Goob? What are you thinking, bro? Fuck, did it go? Oh, right there. All right, John. Good deal, man. Wow, that means Nvidia and shit's still pumping out hard to the downside. Yikes. I think that's going to be my next one. Yeah. Yeah, hopefully that is... Hopefully. Yeah, Goob, where's Goob? All right. Yeah, I mean, Goob, I keep an eye on it. I don't really do much with it, but I keep an eye on it. I've box topped it. It's definitely, the Q's what seems to run under box top to some extent here. It's been a while since I've been in here and looked at it, but yeah. Gotcha, John. Good deal, brother. Thank you. I'll send you out the paper, man. Yep, got it. You let me know, Goobs, what you want to do. But yeah, I keep an eye on it. Yeah. Oh, okay. No, yeah, Goob, the only thing I've done with it, man, is I've box topped it. And I use it sometimes for a gauge for NVIDIA and AMD. But outside of that, I've went back and just did a real quick box top test on it and back test on it. And if it continues to fulfill, right here was the macro comparative that it had fulfilled on. That was right here. Yep, right there. Here to there. So we'll see, Goob. Little macro comparative, but yeah, I'm looking for the W, Goob. Really, realistically, all I'm looking for here, what I want to see or would want to see. What do I got? These were on the micro, so let me get rid of that one. That one fulfilled. So we have 1, 2, call it 3, and I'll go conservative there. So if I put that out there as a macro third, I would be looking for, hopefully, why didn't that change color? Hopefully this to become that W, and then make its move back up to the macro third. If not, Goob, this just becomes a checkup and continuation downside, and the W gets made anywhere down below here, as long as it's below the third. Now, with that being said, the third can be interpreted a couple different ways here. It could come up into here and be one, but realistically, if I want to get super granular about it, one could be right there, two could be right here. If I'm looking at this super macro, three could be right there, which would really indicate more downside and would indicate that is a checkup and continuation. The critical part of this is going to become right here when it gets back down to roughly 314, 314.50, somewhere in that range. And that's going to be a critical point of support for it. And that'll determine whether or not, if that breaks and goes continuation downside, then that's essentially what it's going to be looking at, in my opinion. And if it holds, then potentially the W move and back up to what would be that tighter third like that. That's kind of how I interpret it. Again, just for anybody that's here that's new or may not be normal here, I don't give financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing ever is or never will be. Please do not take anything I say as such. It's the furthest thing from it. I will look at charts and tell you what I think and how I see things through my eyes when looking at them, and that's pretty much the extent of it. So, do you play Q's, Goob? Do you play it a lot or what? What's up, Nuts? What's up, Ivan? With an inverted chart for bearish scenarios as well. Thoughts? Well, Ivan, my thoughts are there are 5 different box top schematics, and they work for upside and downside moves. There are 5 different outcomes that lead to 2 different bullish and 2 different bearish outcomes. So there is a way to do it, and that's the schematics. I actually have actual schematics made, trademarked, watermarked, the whole deal that I have in my Discord that give the ability to see how to implement them for bearish moves and bearish outcomes and downside pulls. Now, as far as using the third pull in a descending manner, I've done that. I've already developed that, back tested it, real-time tested it. I'm actually been real-time testing it here. And what that is using box top on, that's all right, I can move it. Using box top on its head and the descending third pull, but you use the third pull from the previous W up through to get the next box top high, which is what this would be. But you can also do it on its head and pull it to the downside, like these red lines that I have going down in a descending manner are the descending third pull. And you pull it from the previous box top high down into, and you have to find the third on the way up instead of the third on the way down in the other direction. It's on its head completely. And that indicates where your bottom will be. So you have the third going up, which indicates your top, the third, which is your next box top, the descending third going down, which indicates the location of your next low, which is your next W. And just like you see here, how accurate it is. This is the descending third for on the macro for AMC. I've had this laid in here for a long time. And now it's hit. Not only did it hit it, it's literally respecting it and consolidating and what I call grinding down. It's just like a grind up, but now it's a grind down along the third. So same thing. But yeah, if that's something that you're talking about, yeah, man, I've already got things developed in a way that all of that is applicable. So yeah, those are my thoughts. You hit BBIG good today. Money burning a hole in my pocket. Congratulations, Goob. Seems to have bounced twice at these levels. Maybe a triple bottom. Congrats, brother. BBIG. BBIG, yep, following the snake and the macro comparative. The macro comparative was indicating this upside move. Right there. Dead on. The snake as well was indicating the upside move. Dead on. There they are, man. BBIG. There's the snake. The indication of the upside move in that ascending channel. And the snake. Good deal, brother. Congrats. All right. I am not signed into YouTube. Or I am signed into YouTube on my girlfriend's account. She is not subscribed to Extreme Gains, so I wonder if you have to be subbed for the like or dislike to appear. No. No, you don't have to. I don't think so, Puff. You're welcome, Goob. What'd you say, Nuts? Does CNN have a shot at playing out? Seems like it totally diverted from its chart. I'm trying, but I can't seem to box top it. Didn't we just look at this the other day? I mean, it diverted from this macro comparative, but this macro comparative was not dead on to begin with. You know what I mean? It was just but box topping it, yeah, I mean, the only thing you could do from a box top perspective would be, I mean, you don't have much to go on, so the only thing you can really do would be to use this previous W as a back test. 1, 2, 3. Let me go to daily. Three. If it were to box top and be, it would, I'll frame it in here for you. It would be something like that. There's not much. I used a couple up here to confirm a little bit of it, and it seems to be, the third pole seemed to be semi-accurate, right? Not the high. It's not indicating the high like it should be, but it's indicating close, right? It has functionality, but it's not dead on by any means. I've seen better. I've seen way better. Way better fulfillment than that. I don't, trader. No, I don't, man. Unfortunately, sorry. Somebody said something about ATER. I'll look real quick, and then I want to get my scalps caught up here real fast. Man, y'all are gonna learn one of these days. Y'all gonna learn one of these days, I'm telling you. Look what I called yesterday for this. I literally drew it in old school style with fucking lines, and look what happened. Come on. There should be in all of her glory. All right, 15-minute. Oh, let me check these real quick, and go from there. SPY is where again? Heading back down. Yep, it looks like we're getting diversion from. Yep. Of course we are. Couldn't just be straight up end the day like that, could we? Couldn't do that. Straight on diversion. The 420s up 200%. 200%. Oh, that's Dollar Tree. AMD. I'll get with that snake here in a minute. Give me a minute. AMD. These are all going to be up like major now. The 85s. Where were we at before? 40. Yep, we're at 80. DraftKings. DraftKings is just triggering downside right now. DraftKings is just triggering downside. We had upside 170 on first entry. Just triggering downside right now. PLTR is, ooh, she's a little runaway. Daddy's going, oh, she couldn't stay. PLTR, the 1050s. Ooh, the $10 PLTR. Up 100 from close. Yep, I got that one. Second price target just hit up 100%. DWAC is still grinding back up, ascending level. Like I talked about this morning, Nvidia is still running to the downside. Downside on Nvidia, the 192.50s. Nvidia 192.50s, 192.50s, 153, 153%. I already had it 160. Okay. The Peloton is gone. Look at that. Yeah, they're sinking everything this afternoon. If y'all, no doubt about it. Peloton 18s. It's craziness. Crazy. I'm crazy for feeling so lonely. What is that? 90%. 40. That's Peloton 45. 45%. And last but not least, Goober. What are you doing, Goober? Goober 32s. 95. 90. Probably 95 with that wick. Not there. 95. Okie dokie, Smoky. How is that? On that confirmation continuation. 150 on Uber to the upside. Oh no, that was the fucking my bad. That was only, yep, 20% on that wick to the upside. Alright, I'm caught up. Let me fucking see the snake here for a minute. Where are we at here? So this was this flipped. This is that side, so this is that side. That should be the last part of it then. See, what they do is they flip. Let me show you all real quick. I'm going to do a video over the weekend on this stuff, but it's hard to explain. But I'm going to try to put this together in a way that is explainable from what it is that I'm seeing. And what it is they start out with it in one direction, whether it be straight, flipped, or mirrored, right? And then it starts fulfilling. And you start getting candle for candle fulfillment. Then all of a sudden it'll divert. Right at that diversion is where I've went back to the previous clip, the previous day, because that's what I'm clipping. And wherever that diversion happened within the previous one, I clip from there to the end of the day again. Bring it over here, and you'll be able to place it, because you'll be able to see what it's doing. You'll be able to place the rest of it. Then if it diverts again, which look, in this case it did, diverted here, I went back and I only clipped this portion of it, right? Because this portion of it is the only portion not fulfilled yet. So I clipped that, and in its flipped mode, which is what it was fulfilling at, it's no longer fulfilling to the upside. So the algos flipped the projected path of it back to straight up to potentially fulfill the rest of it, because it's the only portion of yesterday's movements of the snake that has not been fulfilled yet. Does that make sense? Does that make sense to everybody? Because that's what I'm seeing happening. Oh, the good old days, yeah. Me charting, yeah. No problem, Nuts. Good luck with them, brother. Steven, okay, brother. I got your email, man. I'll send it to you. Yep. I got you. Okay, Goob. Yep. Good deal. Good deal. Yep, I got it, Sneeze. I got it, man. I got it. As far as there being, who asked that? Jeff. Yeah, Jeff, that's what's going on here. That's, have you watched the videos, Jeff? The update and prep videos where I explain this? That's what it is. It's the previous day's movements, and they chop it at times. Sometimes it's whole. I have them where they're whole, right? Where they'll use the previous day movement in its entirety. I've done this the whole way back, bro. Look, these are all previous day clips where, and then you'll get certain diversions of it being in its original state. And that's what's been happening. They will take these things and the algos switch directions. But it'll always, what I'm noticing is it's always fulfilling the previous day's movements in alternate ways at times. And when they flip it like that, the idea is it all gets fulfilled by the end of the day. But they're doing these flips midstream on the intraday movement, and this is just for intraday. But yeah, there's mirrored, there's flipped, there's mirrored, flipped, and there's straight. Those are the ways that they can be. Yeah, probably, Ellie, potentially, yeah. AMC is running a little bit different than SPY though, so makes sense, Chuck. You worked hard on the snakes real time today. The SPY snake that started to fulfill to the downside was very helpful, and I probably made another $90 just being aware of it and staying in my trade a little longer than I would have normally. Good deal, JP. Congrats, man. Potentially, Ellie. AMC's been running a tiny bit different than SPY. So that's Amy, and then this last piece, this is flipped. So that's this. No, that's that part. Wrong end. So it's this here. Right, like that. But it's gonna be so it diverted that out of it, which is probably gonna be mirrored now. Or is it mirrored flipped? Yeah, there it is. So that's the last portion of the AMC snake from yesterday that has not been fulfilled yet. And it looks to be potentially a mirrored flip if it continues downside. So let me try to, let me see if I can do this. So where do I need that to? I need that. To there. So that was earlier today that fulfilled after diversion. I actually didn't even need that. All I need is that straight run from there to there. So I can get rid of this, clean that up, flip it. Hello? Hello? Damn, I thought that was FedEx bringing my chair, because I left them a note and said, if I have to sign for this thing, don't just roll out. I want it. Just call my phone. I can be here. I can be here in 2 seconds. There. So that's what I mean. I'll clean this portion of it up right here later tonight, but this is what it'll end up looking like cleaned up. 2 diversions. Here's the first one. Diversion at the peak. Second one. Then diversion here. Third one. Whoa, whoa, there we go. I'm getting it now. It's making sense now for me. I hope this is making sense for you. I'm going to try to do a video on the weekend. I want to discuss a couple things on a video. I want to say my piece about a couple things. And I'm going to include this because I believe this method right here is very easily potentially life-changing. I know it is. And I need to figure out a way to really put it into perspective. And there's a few things I want to address about it. And then specifically some of these shithead people that I want to address their stance on me, bars pattern, all this stuff. So I may do a video, an enlightening life-changing, enlightening truth video over the weekend. Maybe tomorrow. It's clicking for me big time. I'm in awe. Awesome, man. Awesome. JP, thank you for recognizing the digging in I did today. I appreciate that, brother. Thank you. Thank you. Yep, that's what it looks like, Andy. Yep. Right here. That bottom. Yep. Very similar. I like it. I like it. Watch them divert this back out of here now. And then it'll be the rest of, it'll be one more time. This piece, it's crazy. This is how they do these. They flip them back and forth, man. An intraday. And it's just wild as shit to watch. I mean, you can see it's candle for candle. Look at this. I need to squeeze that in a little bit, but look at this. Candle for candle. And watch them divert it right back out of here for this last piece for the last hour to go upside now. It'll be wild as shit. And it's crazy to go to stay out in front of it. It's when they're doing it in a lot of multiple diverted pieces like this is not easy. Trust me, it's not easy. When they're the whole ones, it's easy. You just clip it, throw it on there, and you're good to go. And it's really easy. But yeah. Bro, you're really hitting a nerve with some people. They're jealous that you get it right every day. Not matter if it goes up or down. Good stuff, man. Thank you, D. Appreciate it, brother. Yeah, I agree, man. Like, I'll tell you, I'm not gonna mention any names, but I had somebody get a hold of me last night via Twitter, and they went and took some of my stuff. And I could have told, if he would have came to me prior to and said he was going to, I'd have told him what the reaction was, but he knew, right? The guy, he took it to a couple content creators and TA guys, quote unquote, and showed them some of my work and said, look at what this dude's doing. Like, you have to fucking acknowledge this shit. This, like, you can't just pretend it doesn't work or pretend, you know, and then what they do is they ridicule me. You know, they try to ridicule me. They tag me in tweets, and then they all dogpile in and try to talk shit and whatever, yada, yada, yada. But they did the same thing to him when he took it to them. And he got a hold of me and said, I just wanted to let you know I took some of your stuff to these guys. He said, and I don't know, like, they think you're a joke. He said, they're fucking mad about something. Like, and they are. And I laughed and I said, I appreciate, you know, your support, brother. But yeah, listen, and just so everybody knows, I'm not seeking approval from any of these fucking yoo-hoos. Not one of them. Not one of them. I don't need their approval to do what I do. I don't need them to say it's good what I'm doing. I don't need them to agree with what I'm doing. I don't need any of that. I'm going to keep doing what I'm doing. And I know why some of y'all are going to them with some of my stuff. And that's fine. And you guys can do whatever you want to do, whenever you want to do it. But I am not going to entertain any of those jerk-offs because they have all but turned their fucking backs on me. Even the ones that came kissing my ass as soon as I came on the scene have unfollowed me, have turned their backs on me, and they're showing my shit that I've been showing since December, acting like it's fucking new. I mean, it's just ridiculous, the stuff that's going on. So they're all fucking chumps, in my opinion. I have no time for the whole social media stuff. I don't engage with people on social media. If they're gonna tag me, like, no joke, last weekend it happened again. 2 of them tagged me in a fucking tweet, and then all of their numbnut followers started dogpiling in, talking about how much of a jerk off I am and how I'm never right, and oh yeah, all he does is compare bars patterns, about, you know, all this fucking just dogpile in. And I blocked them all, fucking every one of them. I zapped every one of them. Content creators and everything, they got 20,000 followers, 30,000 followers, 10,000. I don't give a fuck. Like, I don't care about that shit. I'm not here for them. I don't need their approval. I don't care if they think, oh, well, you owe it more to your, you know, or to your following, and it doesn't work, and that's not real TA. I don't care what you think. I'm going to keep doing what I'm doing. I don't need your approval. What I do works for me. I can make a lot of money doing what I do. I don't need anybody's approval. So, and it's really funny to me, and this is what I'm going to get into in the video. These guys talk all this shit on the bars pattern, right? And how it's not TA and you can't use it and you shouldn't be using it and shouldn't be comparing. Listen, there is such a thing. There are Wall Street traders, and there have been for decades, Wall Street traders that trade by using bars patterns and pattern recognition and fractal ID. They literally, that is what they do. Right here, trade live with a retired Wall Street guy, the pattern trader. He's literally trading a fucking bars pattern. Like, this stuff has been going on for decades. Number one. Number two, all of the indicators, right? Your RSI, your Fibonacci, your fucking, your MACD, your 1348, your moving average, all that horse shit is all of the data that is compiled to create those indicators is from previous historical movement. That is literally the data bank that is used to code and build and create the indicators. What I do is I use the actual literal previous historical movement in the form of itself, and not some fucked up indicator that it means nothing to me. I'm a visual person. I'm able to visually identify comparatives that look identical. I'm able to visually identify patterns. That is what I do. What these people do with these indicators, and then talk shit on something that I use, that is the data bank, the literal, tangible, visually tangible data bank that is used for their technical analysis indicators that they use. The absurdity in what these people say and try to spew onto the community or the retail community about another trader who's doing his own thing, not going on other people's fucking streams, not fucking rah-rahing and in a circle jerk with 5 other guys, you know, talking about the same shit every week and trying to rally the troops on the fucking weekend every weekend. Like, that's not me. I don't do that shit. I'm in my own lane. I stay in my own fucking lane. I don't fuck with any of these dipshits. And yet they all seem to have something to say about me. And they all seem to use the same fucking bullshit words when they're coming at me. And I want you all to think about that. I want the whole community. And I hope when I put this video out, if I can do this the way I want to do it, I'll put it out. I hope it blows the fuck up, because I'm going to talk about all of this, and then I'm going to change some lives, because I'm going to start showing, I'm going to break down this intraday snake, and and that's what it's going to be. Let's have a talk, and let's change some fucking lives, and let's see what people have to say about fucking bars pattern when we show them for real. We show them, and I hope this shit goes absolutely fucking viral, because I'm going to call these motherfuckers out, because I'm sick of it. And they're all a part of the problem. You got to think really hard about why they're doing this. Why are they saying this stuff? Why are they coming at me? Why are they trying to shut me down? Why? Why? I don't talk to any of these fucking guys. Why? I don't go on their posts and say shit. Why? Why are they coming at me? Think about that. Thank you, Jai. Just want you all to think about that shit. And I wish the broader community, I wish I could reach them and maybe turn their minds on for a minute and get them to think about this stuff. Like, I mean, they're trying to ridicule something that is being used by somebody that pays them no mind whatsoever. And it's literally, like I said, the tangible, visibly tangible data bank that is where all of the data is compiled for the indicators that are used. That they use. The RSI, the MACD, all the moving averages, Fibonacci, all that shit is the data to build those and make those is compiled from previous historical movement. That is literally what I do. I go clip previous historical movement, and I have found a way to use it on micro, mid, and macro time frames to give potential projections of future, current, and future movement based off of actual literal historical movement. There was no bar patterns on most YouTuber video. Now I see bar patterns every day since you come on the scene. Yep. It's an illusion to make retail know what they're doing. Yeah, I'll tell you what it is. Here's the fucking problem. I am a direct threat to their narrative. That's what it is. I'm a direct threat to their narrative. Their narrative is the same narrative that's been spewed out of Wall Street for decades. And that is, this stuff is really, really fucking hard. It's really hard, guys. There's all these indicators. You have to learn all this stuff. Listen to me. I'm smart. Follow me. Listen to me. I'll show you how to do this. I'll show you an easy way how to do it. I'll show you how I figured out how to, right? That's the fucking narrative. What I've done is fucking what I do with everything and have done with everything in my entire life. And that is, I literally dismantle something down to its bones, and then I build it, rebuild it in a way that's simplified. And then I articulate that in a way that is comprehensible to most people. And that's what I've done. I found an easier way to look at all of this fucking confusion and chaos that has been intentionally spewed for decades, and I have simplified it in a way that makes sense and makes it a lot easier to fucking see and deal with and trade on and understand. And it is a direct threat to their narrative, which is why. That's why it is an illusion, DR. And that's them keeping up that illusion. That's why every fucking Friday afternoon or by Saturday morning, Friday evening into Saturday morning, you'll start seeing all of the reasons this week coming we're going to the moon. And it doesn't start until towards the end of the week and or Saturday morning. Then you'll start seeing this shit. You'll start seeing it. And that's when that whole narrative comes, because they want to build excitement back up, build interest back up, get everybody, you know, yeah, it was a long week. Yeah, we're down another 15% this week. But look, here's the new reason why. Look, here's the new discovery why. Look, here's the new, I'm telling you. They need the interest. It has to stay intact. If it doesn't stay intact, then money doesn't stay intact. If money doesn't stay intact, then what? Yeah, I agree, Vegas. Yep. Yeah, there you go, Marv. There you go. Hey, yeah, Isla, they're not even showing behavior of real time. They're showing behavior of past. The indicators are showing behavior of past. And that's what I'm saying. That is literally what I'm doing. I'm taking the actual tangible, literal. By the way, we just increased in viewers by 30 in 2 seconds. Just a marker for that. 35 now. But that's what I'm doing. I'm taking the actual historical movement and literally taking a screenshot, a still shot of it, and then bringing it to current time and viewing it in a way that I can see that it's repeating, right? That's how these indicators are made and built. They're built off of the fact that we are running on algorithms and that things do repeat themselves. If nothing ever repeated itself ever, think about this. If nothing ever repeated itself, ever, no indicator would ever work. Not one of them. Why? Because there'd be no data bank of information, repetitive information, to build something to identify. There's got to be an identifiable feature. How do you receive identifiable features? By identifying something that continuously repeats itself. That's how you find these identifiable features for the indicators to be built off of. So if it's repeating itself enough that you can find the identifiable feature in it to create an indicator, why can I not go just clip the fucking movement that you're extracting that one data point out of, and I can take the entire movement and take it and clip it and throw it onto current chart, and I can identify all of it. And I don't need any of these other one pinpoint data reference from, this is the whole thing. So for them to be like, oh, you can't use a bar pattern. Dude, you absolutely can. What are you talking about? You shouldn't just sit around and use a moving average by itself. That is one data point that's being extracted from this. Right here, from this. Your RSI is one data point being extracted from all of this. Your MACD is one data point being extracted from all of this. Your Fibonacci extension and retracements are one data point each being extracted from this. How did you get those extractions of data? You get those extractions from data when you identify repetitive things. And you've identified that this happens over and over and over again. So therefore, you've now said this is the relative strength index. What is the relative strength? Well, it's when what is the moving average? Well, it's when across the board over a period of 200 days at the, these things are all, listen, if these guys are as smart as they appear to be and or claim that they are, the fact that they have not or cannot comprehend all of that, and that they would come fire shots at me, and they've all fired fucking shots at me over using the actual representative of every data point that they use in their indicators, tells me one of two things. They're either dumb as fuck and really don't understand shit, or they're as smart as they say and claim to be. And what I said, they have acknowledged and realized I am an absolute threat to their fucking continued narrative. Therefore, that's why they fire shots. Unfortunately for them, I don't go into that arena of Twitter and have these discussions with people. That's not where I do things. I do things in my arena when I feel like dealing with them, how I feel like dealing with them. And like I said, I am not here seeking approval from anybody. If I needed anybody's approval before I did this, I would have asked for it. I don't need it, and I'm not seeking it. So I appreciate those of you that have taken my stuff to other content creators, but save us all the fucking the bullshit and the hassle. Don't do it anymore. The people that need to see my content are the people like us, the actual communities, not the fucking content creators. Fuck them. You know what I mean? For real, fuck them. They're the ones that are turning the blind eye to shit. Led people off of fucking cliffs. Like, no way. While they sat around making money. No, 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 no. So, anyways, I'm done. That's all. I went into that way more than I wanted to, but, oh well. See how they flipped that last piece again? Here's the last piece right here. From here to here. Just got flipped again right here. Look, right here it is, candle for candle. Right? From here where they flipped it to here was all candle for candle. Then they flipped it one more time here to go back upside. What did they flip? This last piece and its tail. Here's its tail. Here's the last piece. All I did was go back and clip it, and I flipped it. That's it. This is what I mean about them flipping it. This is amazing. I have this shit I have it. I got it. I figured it out in my brain. I figured it out. They're literally running through every day's movements over and over and over, which I already knew. Micro leads macro. The same thing plays out every single fucking day on all time frames. It takes multiples of that thing to make up the next largest time frame, which I've already talked about in depth on all levels on this channel. But now we have literally figured out how to and what they're doing with it intraday to be able to throw off and make diversions and inverted mirrorings and still accomplish the same fucking path somehow. And this is how. And it's literally one of 4 options. I mean, it's either straight up, mirrored, flipped, or flipped mirrored. That's it. Those are the only 4 options. And every day they run through the whole scheme of the previous day's movements, and they just flip them back and forth. But whatever hasn't been fulfilled, wherever it diverts is where the diversion begins from, just in a different form, either flipped, straight up, flipped, mirrored, or mirrored. I got it. That's it. That's the functionality. That's the fucking answer I've been waiting for. Now I just got to figure out now how to be able to perceive this ahead of time, prior to the next day, like prior to it in real time. Now I have the concept. Now I just need to figure out how to see this before it happens. How to know that, hey, they're going to flip it again here at 3 p.m. and then have it ready instead of doing it in real time. That's the next thing. Yep. Go get it. I appreciate it, M-Dog. Go get it, brother. I'm out of money for the day, man. I already traded all my money away. I had my money traded away by, I don't know, 11 o'clock this morning. Come on, Streamlabs. You're suppressed as AMC price for, yeah. Show real life bots, pick your pill, give us a recap on who said what. It isn't worth it. I'll talk a little bit about it. Never wrestle with pigs, for the pigs remain clueless and you end up muddy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Love you, man. The real deal. Thank you, Chris. Love you too, brother. Appreciate that, man. Simple South Carolina terms. Chuck makes the coloring book and the market colors in the lines. That's what I'm talking about. Chuck rip lips. Let's make some money. Hell yeah, brother. Like when you enter. Yep. Whatever that means. I'm not sure what that means. Like when you enter. I must have missed something. Mad respect for what you do. I'm going to spend some time learning this method. Fuck the bullshit TA losers on YouTube who the one time they are right post a video and disappear when they're wrong. Yes. Ariel, welcome, brother. You have arrived. You have arrived. And we just lost almost 40 people from the last stream. That quick. That fluctuation in and out, in and out, in and out. Let me go back to Twitch here real quick. Public service announcement. Maybe it's because they work for the corruption. Nobody is a financial advisor, so who gives a fuck what unqualified people think of your technique? Yep, I don't. That's what I said. I'm not looking for anybody's approval. Yeah, I like Chuck's method. It's much simpler to see and use. What do you mean, a PSA? He meant the video. Yeah, it's a gentleman saying he's going to rip some ass. Yeah, the video. Yep. It's like what Tupac was saying back in the... Oh, sorry, Power Hour. I'm 20 minutes late. Power Hour, 20 minutes ago. Let's do a drink. Let's do it. What is it? 3:20? Yeah, in 10 minutes. I'll get one ready, though. Here. I hope that if I do make that video, if I can put it together in a way that makes sense and is impactful, and then I want to show this in its entirety and break this down and show it to hopefully help change some lives. And I'm not going to give away the whole kit and caboodle, right? I'm not going to give away the value of anything that anybody's paid for or nothing like that. That's not going to happen. The levels of this go deep, and you all know that. It's micro, mid, macro, box top. There's an array of things. But this here is something that can be utilized intraday. It's a little tougher, you know, it takes some work, but it can help. And I think it's the avenue to go hand in hand with that video. So if I do, if I can put it together, I'd really like to see that video blow up. So any help in that department when and if I put that out this weekend would be awesome. I really would like to see that thing go fucking viral. Like Tupac was saying back in the day, they have money for war but can't feed the poor. It's Chuck Bro. Yes, sir. Criminal traders probably loved it when they saw us on YouTube, creators on Fox Business helping spread their propaganda for them. Amazing people put their heads in sand with regards to market corruption, manipulation. Do you think there's a way you can use this intraday stuff on macro if you found a point it diverts, almost like the Big Brother did? I think to some extent this could potentially be used. Maybe on some macro, maybe potentially. Yeah. So excited to be in next week. Tess, I saw your name on the list. I believe you should have your approval already. I'm pretty sure that you were on the list of approvals for this morning. I could be wrong, but I'm almost positive I saw your name. Did you make any? I'm excited for you as well. Did you make any entries on the spot today? I did. Yeah, I traded. I had three. Yep. 3. I was wondering where the name Power Hour came from. I don't know. Forgot to drop a like. Love this family. God bless you, Chuck. Up 260% today using yesterday's. Yep. The snakes, brother. Good. Congrats, man. Congrats. Cindy's like, I just got my tax return. I'm going to spend money. Ah, dude. Oh, bro. Oh. If you're in here, bro, you know what I just read. Oh my God, dude. Oh my God. I'm holding it back. I got tears in my eyes. Oh. From Flower Power. Can't wait to get the pattern on these flipped, inverted, and diverted pieces down. It will be awesome to have it further out. Yeah, I just want to have, like I said, Ellie, the functionality of, I'd love to have, like, the ability to know what I'm supposed to do before it happens. You know what I'm saying? I'm getting there. It's going to take a minute. This stuff's not easy. You know what I mean? Even just, look, this thing started as Boomer coming to me saying, hey man, I started using the previous day's 5-minute clip, and for the last few days, it's literally been repeating the same thing, which I'm aware of to a certain extent, right? But not something that can be used every day, right? Because it just can't. And my thought process initially was, well, that's cool if you can visually recognize the days that it's doing that, right? But anyways, long story short, I knew that there'd be a point in time when you wouldn't be able to do it. Even there'd be a string of them every now and then that you'd be able to use this on. It literally went from that to me, literally that, when he said that to me, it stuck in my brain. And I started thinking about the inverted mirrors and the mirrorings and the flip-flops that we get and that I have identified on my macro comparatives. And that seed that he planted stayed in my head, and I literally thought on it for, I mean, Boomer, he might be able to test this. I know he didn't hear shit about it forever. Like, I literally sat on it for, I don't know, 2 weeks, and it just sat in my brain, and I started thinking, what about the mirror and the flip feature on the bars pattern? I wonder if they're flipping, because I know algos, when they work together, and I showed you guys in the live stream how they signal and they flip. I showed you that. It literally happened live, and it happened again yesterday in our premium Discord private live stream as well. I saw it, and everybody saw it and was like, there it was. And they're like, so I know how they flip like that, and they can flip bull and bear, and they have achieved price levels that they're trying to reach. It's hard to explain to everybody, but I have a comprehension of it. But anyways, when thinking about that, I thought, well, I wonder if I can use the flip and the mirror and the flip mirror bar tool option to identify what they're doing on the days that the straight up clip and place won't work. I wonder if it's still, because I know the micro to macro, it's repeating itself on all time frames. I've already went through all that stuff. I already have that understanding. So I thought about it, and I started messing with it one night, dude, and it just happened. And I saw it, and it happened, and I tracked it back for that, a week, I think, or 2 weeks. And then I did the video the next night, because I did it the next day live to see if it would work, and it worked, and it was dead on. And I was like, holy shit. I figured out how to track this shit intraday. And I figured out what they're doing on the intraday level to throw the fucking untrained eye off. I can see it now because I have the ability to flip, to invert, to mirror, to all that. I can do it now with bars pattern on the intraday, and I can see what they're doing. And now the concept, so it's been an evolution, right? And now it's evolving, Ellie, and now I know what the concept behind it is, as far as them playing out the previous day's movements in its entirety, and how the diversions intraday work, and how the rest of the movements are going to be played out just in a diverted way whenever it diverts, which is what I'm showing you. Like, I'm literally showing you that. So I don't know, just it all fucking hit me. And yeah, here we are, a week later, and it is evolving into this thing that is gonna be amazing. I think it's just a matter of now taking the next step and figuring out the actual functionality of it to be able to do it ahead of time. That's where things are gonna get. That's where the real fucking value. Not that it's not valuable. I mean, I made money doing this, using this all week. I have literally made money all week. All week. I haven't had a red trade even. All my trades this week were green, and using this, just this, not anything else. I didn't use scalp levels. I didn't use nothing but this, and I didn't have one red trade all week. Not fucking one. So yeah, this thing here I think it has the potential to be something really, really, really fucking special. Really, really, really special. I must have been drinking that day. New method is killer. Yeah, it really is, Ice. It really is, bro. Yeah, you never know, Vegas. You never know. But I'd hate to play you in Battleship, Chuck. Game would be over in 5 minutes. That's funny. You're special. Thank you, Justin. I take that as a compliment, not like a derogatory. You're special. Thank you, bro. It's just my brain, brother. My brain works in a way I didn't even know it worked until an 18 months, 2 years ago. But thank you, brother. Of course, David, thank you. All right, here it's BEER30 weekly wind down. We got to do a shot or a drink or something. We got to do our normal toast. So here's the fireball. Here's to you guys. Congratulations on the week. Oh, congratulations on all your extreme gains. Everybody that made some money this week, congrats. For those that didn't, next week's a new week. Always remember that. That's the beauty of what we do. Every day is a new day in life and in what we do here for work, for money. So enjoy your weekend. Thank you all for the support this week. And yeah, we'll get busy at it again next weekend. Cheers, everybody. Oh, my back. Margaritas, cheers, Ellie. Shit, gotta grab a White Claw. Hurry up. I'm gonna take a shot at tequila. There you go. Let's go. You're welcome, MK. Thank you, brother. Okay, Justin. All right. Yeah, good deal. Good deal. I didn't take it as that. I didn't assume that either. I was just cracking one, making sure. You know what I mean? Making sure you weren't. Smoke that bowl, Matthew. That works for me, brother. Cheers, bro. Cheers, Rob. What's up, Malik? How you doing, man? Yeah, hey, Mrs. Box Tops, thank you for... That's why I didn't update, because we're tracking the micros. So for anyone in general, Discord, no, that's why I just threw a couple screenshots in chat, because we were tracking the micros, and they're diverting quite a bit today. So I didn't want to have anything... That's why I zoomed out as well, just so you could see the intra-week snakes, because they're still on point. And that's why I didn't put them in the channel, excuse me. So thank you, Mrs., for letting everybody know that in chat. Thank you. Thank you. Corey's like, my favorite part. You guys, I've been drinking since noon. No, special isn't off limits. As long as it's just not used in a derogatory way. You know what I mean? That's all. Cheers, Brendan. In case I didn't already say that. Nope, I think I skipped you. I didn't mean to, brother. Wait a minute. SDAC, is that the fucking company? Wait a minute. Is that the DraftKings, the sports? I think that's it. SEAC, or it's SEA. Is this it? Tammy, thank you. How are you, Tammy? I haven't seen you forever. Thank you. Is it SEAC? No. I was trying to think of the ticker. I told you all about a long-term ticker that I've been... Benny, thank you, brother. Congrats, man. Yo, Chuck had a killer day because of you again. Let's go. Let's go, brother. Congratulations, man. You've been having those, my friend. Congrats, dude. Thank you for that, my brother. Oh, shit. Did somebody send 20 bucks? Oh, David, my bad, bro. I didn't even see it. David, thank you, brother. It's not much but donating. Oh, it just came through. But it's not much but donating to the cause. I have faith you'll have that projected path figured out soon. God bless you, bro, and the Extreme Gains family. David, thank you, brother. God bless you, man. I appreciate that, bro. Thank you all, man. That shit helps, y'all. You have no idea. I mean that from the bottom of my heart. The donations really, really, really help. They take a lot of pressure off. It really helps, so thank you all. God bless you, Dave. Thanks, bro. Appreciate that, man. You don't have to act like, oh, it ain't much or whatever, man. I appreciate it. It's the most I've gotten today. You're on top right now, homie. Yeah, this is okay. This is the TikTok one, Tess. Okay, I've never looked at it. I'd have to spend some time with it. There's another one you made my brain go to though. Let me see if I can look it up and Google it and find it. What do we got? 20 minutes left. Y'all were asking me, and I never ever put that together to think of. Hey, T-Mac. Yeah, you must have been unsubscribed by fucking YouTube. Sorry. Yeah, I set it up for, you have to be a member for, subscribe for 5 days. It's gotten rid of a lot of shitheads that come in here. But I can see your message. John, SW. Dude, I don't have the time to do that. I wish. I love the concept, bro. The concept is dead on, man. I did, hey, John SW, I did a video on AMC and Dollar Tree and Spy, comparing them from 2008, 2009 to now. Go check that out, man. I literally did that. So, it was something similar to that, but what you're talking about, dude, I would love to have that information for sure. But I don't know, bro. I don't have the time to do that. I do these live streams. I run 2 Discords. I literally work 20 hours a day, 6 days a week, bro. And the 1 day off that I have, I'm working, doing laundry, house cleaning, yada, yada, yada. So unfortunately, I don't, my friend. But I like the concept. What'd you say? I'm a shithead now? No, I didn't mean you're the shithead, T-Mac. No. I just meant I keep some of the shitheads out of here. That's what I meant. The ones that used to come in here and try to come at me. Benny, thank you, brother. You deserve it, man. Thank you, my friend. Congrats again, bro. Damn, Chuck, I can't remember the ticker either. Yeah, I'm gonna think of it. Word up, bro. Hell yeah, David. Thank you, man. Chuck's Vape. Thank you, brother. Thanks again, Chuck. See you in the Discord. Hell yeah, man. Thank you. Thank you, Andy. Bunch of love for you. Reflecting on everything years later will be crazy. Hell yeah, it will be. Hell yeah, it will be. That's awesome, man. Thank you, guys. Watching from India. What's up, brother? Yeah. SPY down 3%. Yep. Yepper. It dumped out heavy again. Down 3.31%. I am, Tammy. I'm hanging in there. Hanging in there. Still grinding away. Still grinding away. I hope you are as well. I hope you are as well. Goob, thank you, brother. Did I say thank you to Goob? No, that just came through. Thank you, Goob. You're always throwing money at me, brother. Thank you, man. Appreciate that, bro. AZ's ready to go. He's been in premium 2 days. He's like, fuck it, I'm ready. I've been listening long enough. This shit. AZ, from somebody who's been in premium Discord just a couple days. You see how fucking crazy it is? See how crazy it is? See the gains being made and how crazy it is? I'm not just out here saying this shit, man, right? You can I mean, most people in the chat already know this, but I'm literally not just out here saying this shit. Like, this shit is legit. 100%, like, legit. On point, legit. Thank you, Tammy. I hope you're doing well as well. I need to get these scalp ideas one more time, y'all, because on Friday they go away, and then I have to do a shit ton of math to get them if I miss them. So give me 1 second here. Y'all can have the chat real quick. Let me go over these. This is up, fuck me, 320%. This is crazy. 320 on the SPY scalps. Holy hell. That SPY is down 3.13%. GME down 3.5%. AMC diverted to the upside. It's down 1.5%. IWM down 2.6%. 320. AMD. I can't believe that's 320% on SPY. That's crazy, y'all. AMD was the 85s. Yeah. 85s, 92, 45. 85s, 92. Damn, look at y'all, man. Yes, so thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Who is this? Steven, thank you, brother. It's my first week of 100% straight wins. Buying you a beer to say thank you. Steven, thank you, brother. Congratulations, man. That's freaking awesome, dude. 100% straight wins. Dude, all week. Come on, you guys. Where does this shit happen? It doesn't. That's fucking badass, Steven. Thank you, brother. I will drink that beer. I promise. Thank you, brother. I think I am going to have a beer this weekend, actually. We're supposed to have band practice tomorrow night. Play some guitar and sing and stuff tomorrow night. Who else? Yeah, so Mrs. Box Tops from me and the Mister. Don't forget to tip your server, y'all. Thank you, Mrs. Box Top. I appreciate that. DraftKings. DraftKings finally triggered downside on the 1350s. It's only 18%. But I would take 18% all day. PLTR is still going. These scalps are nutty today, y'all. With all this downside again. We're going to go over the macro comparatives here in a second so I can show you all that. The 1050s. We were at 100, right? PLTR. 140. 140. DWAC is still grinding up. That's good. NVIDIA still heading down. My lord, look at these. NVIDIA, the 192.50s. 292%. Annie, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate that, of course, and you're welcome. Thank you. NVIDIA, 192.50. 18. I shrunk that. 289. Get out of here, man. 289%. Piton's still going. They're all still going. Piton 18s. 45. 60. 65%. And last but not least, Uber. Uber 32. 170%. Golly, y'all. Alright, so we got... This is where they ended up. Oh yeah, SPY even went further. SPY on the 420s. 400%. SPY again. SPY again. Wowzers. Alright. So here's where we're at. 400%, 50%, 92%, 170%, 70%, 18%, 50%, 140%, 60%, 50%, 18%, 18%, 289%, 328%, 65%, 20%, and 170%. Holy shit, man. What a freaking day, y'all. Oh, and look at SPY. One last heavy yank. Wow, wow, wow. What a day, what a week. Thank you all. Thank you all that sent, thank you all. I appreciate that a lot. And I'm telling y'all, that makes a huge, huge difference in my life. So thank you all very, very much. Takes a lot of pressure off me trying to fight my incapacitation of trying to trade while I'm doing all this stuff to provide for you all. So it really does take pressure off and take weight off of my shoulders and off of my plate, and I greatly appreciate it. Like a whole bunch. $480, $460. I just went up to 400 and 450. They're dumping the shit out of it now. They're flashing almost 500 now. It just did. It just flashed 500%. 500% on SPY puts. From trigger to max. 500%. Holy shit, you guys. I mean, I didn't get it. I didn't get the money on it, but holy shit. 500%. Better if I got over that sickness. It's lost about 2 months. I know, Tammy. It's crazy. I'm glad you're feeling better. It is crazy, though. What's up, Biz? Thank you, man. I appreciate the sharing, Biz. Especially on your channel, dude, with all those people. I appreciate it. I don't know if they trade or not, but I appreciate that, man. I missed a lot of comments. Okay, hold on. T minus 10 minutes, 9 minutes, y'all. Oh, that ticker. I need to. Did I forget anybody? Yeso, Box Tops, Andy, Vape, and TGIF more than 300% on SPY. Thank you, my friend. Let's go, Yeso. Look at that, dude. Look at that shit. I just died this week in the stock market. I have no money to get into Discord. I have to sell the shares for food. Damn it. Damn, Jackson. This week? Bro, who are you following? Who are you, like, what are you, like, what content are you consuming, my friend? Damn, bro. Sorry to hear that, man. Satari 380 on SPY puts. Let's go, bro. 439. That's, you're counting like I am. I was just looking. They were up over 500%. My trigger to where it's at, up over 500%. Crazy. 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 Amazon puts today. Didn't know if it was on your radar this morning. That would have been money. I did not, Ann. I did not play it. All I played was SPY all week. That's the only thing I played all week long was SPY. Honest to God, Ann, SPY is the only thing I play. It's the only thing I play. If I'm being 100% with you. I mean, every now and again, I'll grab something else. But I honestly only ever play SPY. That way I don't have to worry about, I mean, Amazon, you don't have to worry either, but I only play SPY for the most part. Man, what is that ticker? SEA? Is it C? S-A-E-H? Man, it's something like that, man. Damn it, I need to find it. There they go again. There it goes again. Over 500 and... Oh, my Lord, dude. Get the fuck out of here, man. And I didn't get any of this. 550%. Get the fuck out. You guys. Who... Dude, is this happening? Hold on a minute. Okay, we're still in W range. That's what I wanted to check out. Are we still in W range? Because I know we breached this where I had this, so. Unreal. This is unreal. I mean, it is, but it isn't. Like, it did this worse the other day, but here it is again. It's making this W, but it's doing it all in one day. That's what's crazy. It's doing it all in one day. SPY is down almost 4% today. 3.75% today. Hey, y'all, and who called this shit? Who put a video out talking about this downside coming into this W last night? Almost a 4% drop on fucking SPY. I put the video out last night. I did. Talking about SPY coming down into this fucking ball. You all know that, but I'm making it, I'm loud and proud right now. Fuck it. I made the video and put out talking about this thing coming back down in here to make this W. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Thank you, JP. This is wild shit, y'all. I do want to look. AME held up. AME's only down 1.6%. SPY is actually down more than AME. There it goes again. Are you kidding me? With 3 minutes left. Fucking 600% on SPY puts. I don't know. I can tell you this. In the 2 years that I've been doing this, I've never seen SPY puts go for 200 or for 600%. I have never seen that happen in 2 years. I have never seen that happen. John, I got your email, brother. I'll get to it here in a minute. I've never seen that happen in 2 years. That's insanity. Crazy. I need to go back. Where are we at? T minus 2 minutes, y'all. T minus 2 minutes. No, I don't think it's SRAD. No. What's up, Chuck? Killed it in the Piton put. Just joined General Discord yesterday. Premium sooner than later. Yes, sir, Robert. Congrats, brother. They're holding AMC up. What's up, fam? Damn, was out of money. Me too, brother. I seen it, but was tapped out. Me too. Holy fuck, Chuck, what a day. Yes, it was. A micro reverse third showing up a tad lower, but figured it would be all time. Yep, or after hours. Yep. Oh, I hate watching the help. It's supposed to be printing. Chuckster called it. Who did? Chuck did. I watched it twice. Hell yeah. Let's go. Let's go. 1 minute left. 1 minute left. Look at this shit, you guys. Now they're going to catch this up. Look, there was one last move left. Look at what happened with AMC. I'm going to switch away from SPY. Look, there was one last move left on it, right? And it was this. It was this piece. It was still left right here. And look what they're doing. At the last minute, they held it up, and at the last minute, literally the last minute, crazy. Crazy for feeling so lonely. It's crazy, y'all. Oh yeah, let's rip SPY right out of close. Ding 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 ding. Market is closed. Market is closed. Market is closed. For Friday, TGI FF, April 29th, 2022. Holy shit, y'all. I want to sit here. I'm going to actually sit here for a couple minutes and decompress a little bit with y'all. And just let the residual after hours movement here. I'm not going to stick around long, but I'm going to sit for a good 5 minutes and just decompress a little bit. But what a day. What a day. What a day. What a week. Tammy, I can't tell you that, Tammy. You know that. I can't tell you that. What a week. What a day. Unfreaking believable, man. Woo! Unreal. What a week. What a day. The money that was, listen, the money that was made just today in the Extreme Gains Discords is insane. 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 Oh, that's right. We got earnings today. We're supposed to be on an earnings call? Shit. Nobody even reminded me. Is it today? AMC earnings? Am I tripping? Nobody even said anything. What the fuck is going on? Are we so all caught up in... No, May 5th. May 5th. May 5th. Yeah, May 5th. All right, never mind. Never mind. We were talking about earnings, Steven. Annie. Oh, Annie. I thought you said Amy. Okay. I thought you said Amy. I was thinking it was in May. I'm like, what are you talking? A-N-Y. Okay. My bad. You called that SPY? Yes, sir, Malik. Crazy, right? Crazy, bro. All right. Yep. Nope. Yep. Next week, May 5th. Yep. It's May 5th. Yep. May 5th. Wow. What a day. What a day. It's in May, Tammy. It's May 5th is what I just read. Anyways. Whoosah. Hey, congratulations to everybody that made money this week. Killer week for everybody. Congrats. I want to give some shout outs real quick. I never did share the live stream on Twitter, so oh well. We were busy. We had other shit to tend to. Real quick, donation shout outs, you guys. Thank you very much. Let's see. We started out with Tammy. Tammy, thank you for the donation. Donald, thank you, brother, for the donation. Appreciate it. Ben, thank you for the donations. Chuck's Vape, thank you for the donation, brother. Andy, thank you for the donation. Goob, as always, brother, thank you for the donation. Mrs. and Mr. Chuck's Box Tops, thank you for the donation. Yeso, thank you for the donation. Steven, thank you for the donation. Annie, thank you. Ann, thank you for the donation. And congratulations to all of you that made an absolute fucking killing this week. You guys made a kill. You guys killed it. Guys and gals, y'all killed it. I'm thoroughly impressed. I really, really, truly am. Thoroughly impressed. An incredible week. Incredible week. I'm not sure I've ever seen anything like it. Absolutely incredible. Congratulations. Y'all deserve it. Thank you, Dub. I appreciate it, man. And absolutely incredible. This week was incredible, y'all. We uncovered something completely new last Thursday. I know I personally utilized it this week a little bit for the few trades that I was able to squeeze in throughout all of this chaos. Unreal. I'm going to work on this. I hope I have a little bit of time to work on it this weekend. I know those of you that are digging into this, stay in touch with me. If you come up with some methodology, I would really like to, that's really what I think we need to get nailed down. But the concept I just grasped today. So I'm looking forward to what's to come. But yeah, I mean, we uncovered that late last week. I know I utilized it this week, and just crazy. The macro comparative is on for AMC. I mean, it is literally freaking dead on. This thing is dead on. And the intra-week snakes are dead on. The intraday snakes are dead on. I mean, it's absolutely wild. It really, truly is. So, truly blessed, truly grateful. Thank you all for the support out in Yoo-hoo, Yaha, whatever, social media land. I greatly appreciate that. I will get a weekly update and prep video out on Sunday like I always do. And we'll go from there and get ready for next week. It'll be the first week of May when we start next week. May 2nd will be Monday. So let's go into May and kick some ass. Let's do better than we did. Always reach higher. So congrats to everybody. I thank you all. Have a great weekend. Enjoy yourselves. Get some R&R or some fun, whatever it is that you like to do. And we'll get back here and get at it next week. But I'll be active over the weekend on social media. I'll try to be. But I'll be in Discord, Premium, and General. I'll be in and out all weekend. So hit me up. Anybody and all of you that sent me emails for access to Premium, I got you. I'll get that together for you this weekend. You should be able to join prior to Monday. The goal is for me every weekend is those who bombard on Friday is to make sure y'all get that. I can get that turned around and get you guys the ability to get in on Monday. So be looking for those emails coming back to you. If you can get me the documents by end of day, the day I send you the request for them, you should have access the very next day. If you have not smashed the like button on your way out, please do so. I would greatly, greatly, greatly appreciate that. Would greatly appreciate it. Thank you all very much. I'm going to jump out of here. TGIFF. What a great week. What a great week. Feel good. Feel proud. I'll talk to you all here on the next one or on Monday morning. It'll be in the update prep video on Sunday.